If you want something practical and not overpriced, for /10/20 PCS 18/25/32/38 eyelet screw clasp metal O-ring buckles egg-shaped eyelets rings hook bag strap round hole hang buckle is interesting. If you're picky, focus on materials, measurements, and the exact option you're selecting. If you're comparing listings, look for clear photos and specs, not just marketing words. If you're comparing sellers, pick the one with clear photos, solid feedback, and consistent reviews. Pro tip: tap through variants and look for coupon badges or multi-buy discounts. Quick reality check: specs plus buyer photos plus newest reviews before you commit. A quick scan of recent reviews plus real photos can help you pick the best option. I put the link in the description so you can review the options and today's price. So if 4/10/20 PCS 18/25/32/38 eyelet screw clasp metal O-ring buckles egg-shaped eyelets rings hook bag strap round hole hang buckle is on your list, take a second to pick the right option and verify the details. If everything matches your needs, it's a clean, practical choice.